Hi, my name is Noah Kasai.
My name is Hong.
My name is Moises Bendique.
And we're working on the Engineering 6 Urban Planning project. So to open the project or the GUI, you go to the code and then you click Run. Once it's run, there will be a message box and GUI that pops up. The message box tells you the instructions for what you need to do, which is click the drop-down menu and choose a city, then click Generate Map to create the map, and then after that, you click the solar panels or wind turbines and then click the map to fill the map with whatever you want, and that's what I'm going to demonstrate. So the drop-down menu has three options, which are Denver, San Francisco, and New York. The choose city option doesn't do anything. If you choose that and then click generate map, it will generate the Denver map that we got from Google Maps. Then if you want to choose a solar panel and fill some area of this map with it, you click the solar panel and you choose the map, and then that will be the solar panel, and like there'll be however many solar panels in this area. If you want to do it for another solar panel, just do that again. For wind turbines, it's just the same procedure. And also you can only hit 20. Like for example, I'll just go do 20 right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 16, 17. 18. So once I put 20 boxes on this, it shows you an error saying you can only click 20 boxes, and it won't allow you to put any more boxes up or use Ginput to fill any of these map grids anymore, because this error is going to pop up rather than let you.
So let's say you don't want to choose a total of 20. Let's say you only want to choose 5. What you do is, I'm going to click a new city so I can generate a new map and show you. Let's say I want 5 of these different turbines. I'll place them on the grid. And I'll click this button here, done. And what this done button tells me is that you're no longer able to click that any more turbines or wind generators onto the grid. No matter how much I try, it won't let me. From this point on, I can now calculate how much solar power is created, which in this case gives me 44.4819. And I can also calculate how much wind power was created. Due to the fact that I didn't click on any wind turbine, it was not able to calculate anything. But if I quickly show you a new one and I click a certain amount of wind turbines, you see how once you calculate wind power, it'll calculate that. Another thing that this GUI has that's very functional is a bill of material. Bill of materials creates how much of each turbine and generator you click and how much the total cost will be. So let's say I place a few turbines here, a few generators here. I will click done, allowing me no longer to click any more turbines or generators. I'll click this button called create bill of material. And once I go down to my MATLAB main page, I can click this bon.txt file here. And once I click it, it'll open up saying how many of each I placed. So far I placed 4 of SunForce 39810. I placed 1 of SunPower E18. It'll give me the price per solar panel and the total price. So here I placed 4, so it'll multiply 4 times this price to give me this total price here. And overall, what this GUI also does is give you a total price for everything, including wind turbines and solar panels.
Okay, what I will show you now is how you can save your image and save your text, and how you're able to load it and work on it later. When you plot a couple of solar panels and say wind turbines also, and you want to see, let me plot a couple of them. Okay, now say I want to save this image. I say save image, and it allows me to save it as anything I want in any of my documents. I will save this in my MATLAB folder as post. And now that I saved it, I'm able to go back to I'm able to open it up again using IMShow. If I want to show you guys the image I just saved, say IMShow post.png, and I bring you back to what I saved. Okay, now I will show you how to save by save text as output. Say you chose a solar panel and you put it on, and you do a couple of them. I will put them on top, so you, when it shows the matrix, you guys will be able to see how it looks. Okay. Now when I press save text and I go, I will show you how it would end up in the matrix. Now when I load it, it shows you that the file, you see how when I put a solar panel right here, it showed it in the matrix exactly where on the grid it would be. Same as for right here, when I put it right there, it would show up here. This matrix is 30 by 45, the same as the grid here. Okay, now let me show you how to do load data. If you use the solar panels and you press on a bunch of places, let me make it more easier to see right here. This is what we worked on. Then we wanted to go on a different city, like say San Francisco. And we were working on San Francisco, we want to go back. We would say load data, and we get this pop-up message where we have to go back to the correct city. So we were working on Denver, so we go back to Denver, and then we would be able to work on it some more, wherever we would like to press. And after you're done, you just press the done button, and you can continue on with your work.